What's up, mga people? Just wanna say, Boys Unlimited, congratulations sa inyo na naman champions again. Kahit pinapabati niyo ako na nandito ako at nandito pa ako, nandito naman kayo. Congratulations, guys. Well deserved. God bless. Ingat. Peace!
Bye guys! Hindi, alam mo, sa Pilipinas ngayon, madaming mga dancer. Diba? Madaming mga dancer. Pero there were only some na talaga nakita mo ang puso. Madami naman magaling dyan eh. Madami naman, I can name up many groups. Pero with one of the most I respect at one of the most I look up to, actually, nai-insecure ako pagka kasama ko. Ito ang Boys Unlimited. These guys are, I mean, hindi ko lang sinasabi yun dahil kailangan ko mag-create or whatever. Sinasabi ko to based on experience. And of course, champs, baby!
Yeah!
Yeah, what's up, nigga? Thank you. Sige, bye!
Boys Unlimited, congratulations. Back to back. Ngayon, mag-tripit tayo. Next year, abangan nyo ako sa Boys Unlimited.
Boys Unlimited, congrats sa inyo kasi champion naman kayo. Next year ulit back to back to back. Ingat boys.
What's up, boys? Congratulations! Balita ko na nanalo na naman kayo. Keep up the good work. God bless you guys. And Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
In everything, there can only be, in any contest, there's only one champion. The World Supremacy Battlegrounds, there's only one open champion. And I happen to be in front of them right now. This is Boys Unlimited. And folks, they are champions. They make us proud. Not only for now, but for many, many other dance groups, sila ang magiging ehemplo kung ano talaga ang nilalaman ng tunay na champion na dance group na talagang nagpakita sa buong mundo na sila talaga ang number one. Congratulations, Boys Unlimited!